This is a Pumice Stone Foot File, and it is fine sandpaper on this side and coarse on the other side. Do you have rough places on your feet that need fixing? Well, let me show you how. Use this foot file. I've been soaking this foot in water so it's soft. And then you just use the coarse side and go over your rough heels gently to exfoliate, and then you're going to turn the foot file over to the other side and do the same thing. Get those rough places smoothed down. It's amazing how smooth this feels after you do this. And I've got a callus on my big toe, so I'm going to gently go over it also. You can't fix this in one sitting. You have to keep at it. Now I'm going to turn it over and use the fine side. And next I'm going to add lotion to my foot. And after that I'll feel like I've been to a spa. If you do this every day, it just takes a little off at a time, and your feet are going to be so much smoother and better looking, and of course healthier. So I hope you might like to try one of these foot files.